G'day folks, I'm Benno. We're heading out today for a bit of a ride. The sun's out. We're going to have a look at some gate guardians, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and drop us a comment. Like, really like to hear what you've got to say about these videos. No numbers on this one that I can see. The Australian Army did use these in Vietnam. And the light's fading on. Thanks for watching. Hope you made it to the end. So if you like this stuff, don't forget to give it a like, drop a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Catch us next time.